Jack. How you going,
G'day,
buddy?
mate. Good to see you, Ninch. Oh, it's been a while, hasn't
Yeah,
it?
it has, yeah. You still running, I see?
Yeah, man, you too. How
Yeah.
you pulling up?
Oh, nah,
Training's
fuck.
going well?
Shin splints, mate. Fuck,
Oh,
shin's
mate.
fucked.
Fuck, that's no good, mate. Here, look, let's pull over just over here.
Okay.
And let's get you tuned up before that gets too serious.
Right, thanks, man.
Let's pull up.
You want me to be? Pull up a pew. How do you want me?
Pull up a pew, mate. Pull up a pew. Which leg's hurting you, man?
Oh, just in here.
Just in there, yeah.
Yeah, start
Comes
sort of
around.
down here. Yeah.
Yeah, you get it coming into the front as well.
Both sides. It's more this perineal, I reckon. It's a bit
That real ropey
stuffed.
bit on the side.
Yeah. In the
Cool,
back
man.
Of here.
Well, let's just get a little bit of let's have a bit of a look at that and see what we can do, eh? So I'm just gonna dig into this muscle in here a little bit. How's that feeling through there, Ninch?
Ooh, yeah, it's got a bit of bite.
Got a bit of bite?
Yeah, for sure.
It will do if you've been working real hard too.
Yeah. Yeah, this
Do some-
right leg of mine, it's
Pretty
always
cooked, eh?
it's always cooked. Okay, our cameraman disappeared.
We forgot the
What are you
wax.
doing?
We forgot the wax.
Nah, don't need it, man.
Nah, what's wax for anyway?
Yeah.
Sissies.
Yeah,
Just gonna get into this tib post a bit there for you, man.
yeah,
That real strong muscle that keeps your arch nice and supported.
yeah,
Keeps those feet functioning well, but
yeah,
it gets real tight when you're smashing the pavement all the time.
yeah. It is. Yeah, the lower down bit is real. Got some spice.
Yep.
Yeah.
Not going too hard for you or anything.
Nah, man.
Coming along well.
Just yeah, you were just nailing it, man. So just right in close.
Awesome.
Is, yeah, I feel like it's the origin, you know?
Yeah,
Origin.
awesome.
Sorry for interrupting your video, guys, but I want to talk to you about the MMT Online Academy. So you might have been looking at Ninja and I doing our stuff for a long time now, thinking, how good would it be to work at MMT? But you might be overseas. This is your chance to get exclusive content updates from us every single day to make you a better practitioner, more new customers, better results, and skyrocket your income. So if you want to be on the inner sanctum, get into the Academy. All you got to do is dedicate 5 minutes a day to making yourself better, and it's just $28 per month. How good's that? $7 a week.
That's where it's all coming from, eh?
Yeah. What muscle's that, man?
This is your tibialis posterior, my friend.
Tibialis posterior. Wow.
That real strong little muscle. It's right down the bottom. Often kind of feels a little bit like Achilles pain or lower calf pain.
Yeah.
But you can also get it into your foot, and sometimes it even refers through to the outside of the leg
Yeah.
when it's getting really nasty. It's one of
Yeah.
those classic muscles that if you get shin splints,
Whoa.
this is where you want to, right on that bit, hey?
Yeah.
This is where you want to get stuck into.
Yeah. That's it.
Just, dig in, sink our way into it.
Very nervy down here, isn't it?
Yeah, gets pretty nasty,
Yeah. Got to go slow.
100%. So we're just
Ooh.
finding all these spots, melting them away, digging in with that classic pressure that gets the job done. Nice and therapeutic.
So how have you been keeping your body so tuned up, man? You've been doing a lot of Ks.
Yeah, man, training for the half marathon. Got
Yep.
3 weeks or so to go. 2.5,
Yeah.
I think, if I'm really counting.
Yeah.
It's coming up quick, but man,
Yeah.
honestly, I've just been keeping on top of my ISO exercises,
Yeah.
making sure I'm warming up properly beforehand, making sure I'm listening to my body when I run, not pushing it too hard, not, taking it too easy either, but keeping it at a good threshold. Taking rest when I need to. I'm just going to sink into that insertion point of the tib post as well, down in the arch of the foot, in around there, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, it's good.
Awesome. But yeah, that and just making sure I'm sleeping well, keeping as rested as possible, staying hydrated, smash a good couple of litres after a big run and make sure I get my electrolytes back up as well, get
Yeah.
some of those good salts back in there. Yeah, remembering to do the proper cool downs, jump in the sauna whenever I can. Oh yeah, that's a nasty one, isn't it?
Yeah. You got a friend? Yeah. Oh.
How's that going through your foot there, man?
Yeah, it's got some zinger burger written all over it.
Yeah, it's pretty nasty, isn't it?
Yeah. Ugh.
You'll be feeling pretty damn good when this is over, mate.
Yeah, man. Glad it's over.
Let's just get a little bit into the perineals as well. You were saying that you're kind of feeling it out there on the outside as well, yeah?
Yeah. But, there is a particular one
that
that's...
real ropey bit through there.
More,
oh yeah, that one there, yeah?
Yeah. Compared to the other side, it's noticeable. There's a contrast. So.
Yep. Like compared to the left side, you mean?
Yeah, compared to the left, yeah.
Yeah, that'll do it. Just want to really sink onto those because that's real ropey. We want to really get into that tendon right at the top.
Yeah.
Don't want it jumping around on us or trying to run away. Feel like I'm getting into it there, man, or like I need to go up a little bit or down.
Maybe.
Or...
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, a bit more to the side.
Yeah.
Do a little bit of mobilization through the fibula head there as well.
Yeah. Those bones to
encourage that little bit of movement.
Yeah.
It's essential for good ankle and knee mechanics, especially when you're smashing the K's out.
Yeah, man.
But yeah, man, it's all about, you know, making sure that you're doing all the things off the track as well as on the track, you know?
Yeah.
You want to make sure you're taking care of your body.
Recovery can be more important than the actual
Oh,
action,
man.
Isn't it? The exercise.
100%. Like Leon was saying this morning, you know, sleep's the ultimate recovery tool, but there's a whole lot of other good things you can do as well.
Yeah.
Like those ISO warm-ups, they're unbelievably good.
Yeah.
They're there's a reel coming out on Instagram soon, so check that out if you want to know more about those ISO warm-ups, but they're unbelievable. Like I do them before I go for a run. Every single time. Every time I skip, I pull up super sore. Every time I do it, it's one of the best runs I've done. My body feels good the whole time. I don't get hurt. I don't pull anything. I don't have any real aches or pains the next day. G'day again, mate. Got some little friends.
Yeah.
How's that feeling through those perineals, man?
Yeah, the more you go down,
there's this real lumpy bit in there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Want to try and melt that off as we move our way down. Gonna peel that down through the perineals. Stretching through those lateral lower leg muscles. Might even get you to just move your ankle a little bit as well, man. Try and encourage a little bit of active movement in there.
Yeah, it's pinning it. You're on it.
Yeah, awesome. Can feel that sliding and moving as we're moving down. Oh yeah, right on that bit.
Yeah. Been there for a while, that bloke.
Been bothering you for a bit, hey?
Yeah.
Got to get on top of it nice and early, man.
Yeah.
Otherwise it takes a lot longer to sort out.
Yeah. Oh.
Don't want it catching you off guard on the big day.
Yeah, mate. We're racing, me and you. What do you reckon? You reckon you got my measure? Gonna beat me?
Oh, what are you talking about, mate? There's no competition.
No competition. I won't turn up, that's why. You're gonna beat me. If I don't try, I lose.
That's
it's
right.
not the other way around, is it? You don't try, you don't lose. It's fucking you lose because you haven't gone.
You guarantee it.
Yeah. Miss all the shots you don't take.
That's exactly it, man.
Isn't it? Yeah.
Climb yourself on up, Ninja. See how that's feeling. Have a bit of a jump around.
Jump around.
Put a bit of weight through that right calf.
Yeah. It's good, man.
Feeling a bit better. Feeling a bit fresher.
Yeah, man. That sharpness is not there, man. Released off. So yeah.
Awesome. Well, should we get back after it then?
Yeah. Let's go run.
All right. Let's get it done.
Come on.
Go on.